Do you need to access a GoDaddy account of someone else? If you try with their login information, GoDaddy will likely ask you for a confirmation code that you don't have. The easy solution for this is to request an access to the account. You can do that by logging into your GoDaddy account and browsing to My Products. And from Account Settings menu, select Delegate Access. On this page, you can request access to another account. And for that, you will need the name and the email address that was used to create the GoDaddy account. Choose the right access level. In most of the cases, products and domains is all you need. After you send the request, the owner of the account will get notified by email, and then they can decide if they want to grant you the access or not. If they do, you will receive a confirmation email from GoDaddy with a link to accept the access. Once you have confirmed, now you can manage the domain and the products of the other person. This is very convenient for web designers, web developers, or administrators, and the access stays available until the owner decides to remove it. With your access, you can, for example, connect the domain to any platform like Wix, WordPress, or Shopify, hosted elsewhere. This is a part of video tutorial series how anyone can build their own business website for about $50 without prior knowledge of web design or programming. So next you can watch this video to learn how to connect your GoDaddy domain to another hosting. Thanks for watching.